Struggling to find the jar option in Wise? Watch this to open and fund a savings jar in under 2 minutes. So here is the plan. First, we will click Open, then Set Money Aside, then Open a Jar. From there, we name it, pick a currency, and add money. Simple stuff. All right, let us jump right in. You're looking at your Wise account home screen, and the very first thing you need to do is find the button that just says Open. It is usually right there on the main dashboard. Now, this is the gateway to a lot of features in Wise, not just jars, but today we are after one specific thing. So go ahead and click that Open button. Now that we are in the flow, you will see a few different options pop up. Wise is asking you what you want to do. Do not get distracted by the other choices. We are looking for the one that says Set Money Aside. This is basically Wise speak for creating a saving space. It is their way of helping you separate your spending money from your saving money. Click on Set Money Aside. So from here, you have a couple of paths you can take, but we are going for the jar. You will see an option that says Open a Jar. Think of a jar like a specific labeled bucket within your Wise account. You can have multiple jars for different goals, like a vacation jar, an emergency fund jar, or a tax jar. For now, just click on Open a Jar. Okay, this is where you get to personalize things. First up, you need to type in a jar name. Make it something that means something to you. I personally like to name mine something specific so I remember exactly what the money is for. Something like new laptop or holiday fund. This just keeps you motivated every time you look at it. So go ahead and type in your jar name right there in the text field. Next, we need to choose what currency this jar will hold. This is a really handy feature because Wise lets you hold multiple currencies. So if you were saving for a trip to Europe, you could pick euros right now. Or if you just want to save in your local currency, pick that one. Just tap on the currency selector and scroll through the list until you find the one you want. Tap on it to select it. All right, now we are ready to bring this jar to life. Look for the button that says Open Jar. It is usually right below where you selected the currency. This creates the jar in your account, but it will be empty for now. So go ahead and click Open Jar. And here is the really important part, funding it. After you open it, you will be asked to add an amount. This is how much money you want to move into this brand new jar right now. You can start small, even just $1 or whatever your currency is, just to get it rolling. You can always add more later. So type in the amount you want to put in there. Finally, to lock it in, just click the Confirm button. That is it. You have just created and funded your very first Wise jar. The money is now safely set aside, out of your main balance, and working towards whatever goal you named it for. Once you know where the buttons are, the whole process takes maybe a minute. Now you have a clean system for managing your money inside Wise.